So this is going to be a little bit different than the normal video. We got the star on top of the barn, alright? The bulbs have gone out. So, got a boatload of bulbs to replace it. It's almost Christmas time. It looks really good up there. But we got to get on the roof. We're going to get the old OBS and pull it over here and get this star looking good. So we're going to go plug it up, see just how many are not working. Hopefully I can get on there and not slide off and die. But I guess if you're seeing this, I didn't die, so much for the suspense. But we're going to see how many of these aren't working, see if we can't get it. So as you see, we've got quite a few not working, even a couple of them broken. So I'm going to see if the OBS will even crank, and let's try to get on this roof. So, looks like the battery's dead. Kind of figured she hasn't been cranked up in quite some time. So, maybe some cables will run over to the tractor. I'm not sure. Let's get this thing popped. I don't remember. What's up? Ow, I just wrecked my finger. So, here's where we gotta go. That's not gonna help. Just gotta lower it. There we go. So that definitely won't help. But yeah, so I need to either find some long cables to run to the tractor or grab the jump box or something. But okay, so we got her plugged in, charging. I need to just leave it on here, let it charge up good. I don't really want to do that, so we're gonna flip it over to engine start, see if this thing won't crank up. Well, since we just got it cranked up, we don't want to just turn it off because it's just gonna be dead again. And it's almost out of gas. So, got a little gas down here. I'm gonna put it in here. We'll creep around the field a little bit, see if we can't get in anything. Maybe a little mud, maybe nothing. We're gonna navigate around here. Try to go up through the middle gate. It's been raining for the past couple days, but it's dried out pretty good. So we might be able to get through there, but we might also have some issues because stock tires, street tires, not the best for being in the mud. But we do have four-wheel drive, so we'll try to get through here. I've been up through here before when it was super duper slippery in the Tacoma, and it was almost a challenge, but that was like day of it flooding like a ton and stuff, and that's just not the case today. So we should be able to get through it, but we'll find out. So it's not too muddy, just a little bit, but we should be able to get through here. But I'm gonna go ahead and let's open the gate up, and then we gotta be careful not to let the horses out, but we should be all right. So it's a little sticky, but it should be all right. Like I said, just a little slippery, a little slip and slide. Might have to cut a donut though. Well, unfortunately, I had an SD card error, so y'all missed all of the previous donuts, but I'm gonna try to do another one. I hate that y'all missed a boatload of them because I did a boatload of them, but Yeah, I don't feel like abusing the OBS anymore. We just gotta get all the mud off the back tires so we don't track it back in the yard. So go for a little trip. There might be a little mud hole over here. It might have water on it. We might play in it a little bit, but I doubt it. But we'll see. There she is, the tiniest little mud hole. It used to be huge. Used to have trucks get stuck in this, and obviously it has just about completely grown up, filled up. Tell you what, this truck sounds freaking good when you're getting on it. Is this a new mud truck? We just make this a mud truck. Alright, so back through the gate we go. Thankfully it's not too wet because previously, you know, if you're going through here, this is pretty slanted. It tries to push you over here in the gate. Had that problem with the taco before, but I don't think we'll have that issue being that it's not that wet. It's just a little bit tacky right now. No problem at all. Now I've actually got to go back and fix those lights. So I think the battery should be nice and charged up. We've been playing around in the truck for a pretty good while. So we're gonna pull over to the barn, see if I can't get on it. Kind of a dangerous thing now because I have red slick mud on the bottom of my boots and I'm about to try to climb up on this tin roof barn. So hopefully I do not fall off and die. So you may or may not can see, or could have seen, it's hot. I'm too short. Basically, I'm too short. As well as a couple of the bulbs, the bottom of the bulbs broke off in the thing, so obviously I got to turn it off and try to get those out. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take that down. Pretty sturdy. Okay, so got that guy. Should unplug that. So need to loosen that, and then probably get back on the roof and cut that extension cord down. Frick. Alright, so here's the current sketchiness. It's actually not that bad, it's pretty stable. Squat life, not too much. Ladder don't slide out. We're all good. But now, going back up on the roof, take the star completely down. So, I mean, I could have done this to begin with rather than the truck, but hey, what's the point of doing it the easy way if you want to make a video? So, we're crawling up on top of the barn buggy if we can. Falling, breaking, and killing me. Go on up. Horses are over there. I need a chest strap for this thing so I don't have to freaking hold it, but I'm just gonna prop it all up. Try to stick it in here. take the bolt out of the lower one so it can come through this upper thing. So back down I go. So this is current day, and I have unfortunate news. Of course, this is weird for me cutting in the video like this, but I lost all the footage of the rest of this video, so I am apologizing for that. I figured, what the heck, might as well make a video of it and have, like, I think it's like 12 minutes or maybe more than that of footage already of using OBS and going out in the field and all that kind of stuff. So I figured, what the heck, we might as well still use it as a video. So unfortunately, missed the second half, but we did get the star fixed. Everything is good to go on it. So unfortunately, this is going to be your end of your video, but hopefully you did enjoy some OBS action and me crawling on the roof and luckily not dying, so that was a good thing. But with all that being said, hopefully y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.